Hello students, welcome to Elga online class. Unit 4, day 12. Okay, before go to the class, we have a one clap activity. 1, 2. Okay, now go to the class. Now look at the slide. Yes, cross out the odd word. Today we have a exercise. Okay, cross out the odd word. They given 4 words, but one is odd one. The 3 words are fallen one word family, but one word is different. That one is odd. Okay, see the slide carefully. First one, rat, fed, red, ledge. Rat, fed, red, ledge. Can you guess it? Which one is the odd one? Very good. The odd one is, see that next slide. The odd one is rat. The rat falls on an word family. Fed, red, led. These words are fallen. Very good. Yet word family. Is that clear? Take worksheet students. Page number 101. Okay. Page number 101. Now look at the board. Cross out the odd word. Cross out the odd word. What is the meaning odd? Different. That one is different. Okay. See the first one. They given 4 pictures. Okay. 3 pictures also for same, but one is different. Okay. That one is odd. Rat, fed, red, leg. Okay, see the first word, rat. This word falls an word family. This one, fed, yet word family. This one also yet word family. This one also falls yet word family. These 3 words are falls yet word family. So that add one is first one. So you can circle the rat. Sorry, cross out. Okay, you can cross out the rat. Is that clear? Now go to the B one. Van, sat, pan, fan. Okay, van, sat, pan, fan. Guess it. Which one is odd one? Van, sat, pan, fan. Very good. Sat also odd one. So you can cross it. Is that clear? Van also falls on and word family. Fan also falls on and word family. Fan also falls on and word family. These 3 words are falls on and word family, but sad, this word falls on and word family. So that one is odd. So you can cross out. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. C1. Tab, cab, tag, lab. Okay. Tag, cab, tag, lab. Once again. Tag, cab, tag, lab. Guess it? Which one is the odd one? Very good. The odd one is tag. So you can cross it. Tag. Is it clear? First one tab. This word falls an word family. Tab. This word also falls an word family. The last word lab. This is also falls an word family. So tab, cab, lab. These three words are falls on an word family. But tab, this word falls on and word family. So that one is odd one. So you can cross it. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. B1. Get, net, jet, cap. Okay. Last one is bet, net, jet, cap. Bet, net, jet, cap. Guess it? Which one is odd one? Very good. That odd one is cap. Very good. Okay. First word bet. This word falls on yet word family. Next net. This word is also falls on yet word family. Jet. This also falls on yet word family. These three words are falls on yet word family. So cap, that word is falls on a word family. So that one is different, that one is odd. Okay. So you can cross out. You can cross out that word cap. Last one. Pen, pet, went, can. When, pen, can. Okay. Pen, pet, men, can. Guess it? Which one is odd one? Pen, pet, men, can. Very good. That one is pet. So you can cross out the word pet. That one is odd. First one, pen. This also falls on N word family, men. This word also falls on N word family, can. This also falls on N word family. Pen, men, can. Also falls on N word family, but pet also falls on N word family. So that one is odd one. Is it clear? Now look at the slide. Yes, cross out the odd one. Okay. Now we sum. See the next slide. This is the answer, students. This is your homework. Please do this. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Take a screenshot. Now go to the next one. Okay. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Whole words. Already we learnt 7 whole words. Okay. Today we have a exercise. Okay. Whole words. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. Students, take your worksheet 101, the same page. Worksheet 18, page number 101. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. First of all, you read the sentence and find the whole words. Especially, previous class we learned the 7 whole words. Okay. And circle the whole words in the sentences below. Okay. Now look at the bow. See the first sentence. Can you write? Can you write this word? Can you write this word? Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Sorry, put. First one, put. Sorry, students. First one, put. Put. You write this word. Put. You write this word. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Which word? Good. You can circle the whole word. Good. Is it clear? In this sentence, you circle the whole word. Good. Now go to the B one. I tell my mother a story. My mother, sorry, I tell my mother a story. Okay. In this sentence, do you see any whole words? Very good. Which word? Tell. In this sentence, you circle the whole word. Tell. Okay? Tell. Now go to the next one. If I would, I would live in a hut. Live in a hut. You see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. How many words? Two whole words are there in the sentence. First one, would. Next one, would. Okay, in this sentence have two whole words. First one, would and would. You have circled two whole words. Would and would. Now go to the third. Sorry, say quickly. Say quickly. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Which word? That word is say. You are circling the whole word say. Okay. Now go to the E one. Our school is here. Our school is here. Our school is here. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Which word? Our. That word is our. You have circled the whole word. Our. Next, F1. I like that rings. I like the rings. Do you see any whole word? Very good. Which word? There. In this sentence, you circle the whole word there. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Now look at the slide. See the next slide. This is the answer. Okay. This is also your homework. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. See the slide carefully. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. There are some sentences here. Okay. Now see the boxes. Boxes of word with write a word with them. Okay. See the boxes below. Look at the sentence. Okay. Find the whole words and color the below. Sorry, color the same in the box. Okay. See the first sentence. Would you help me? Do you see any word from the box? Yes. Which word? Would. Wood, which color? Yellow color. So you have color in red, yellow. Okay. Now look at the board. Okay, worksheet 17. First question. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. See the first one. Would help you help me. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Which word? Would. Which color? Yellow. So you can color it yellow. Okay, I don't have color chalkpiece, so I boxed the word. Okay, you color in yellow. Now do that. Next one. They say it would help. Okay. You see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. How many words? There are two words. It and would. It and would. It what color? Red. So you can color it in red. Next wood what color? Yellow. You can color it yellow. Okay. Put the C one. Put you give me your pencil. You give me a pencil. Do you see any word from the box? Very good. Good. Good what color? Good blue color. You can color it blue. You can color blue. Now do the fourth one. I would like to I would like to eat an apple. Eat an apple. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Wood. What color? Wood. Yellow color. You can color it yellow. B1. We buy a toy. Buy a toy. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Which word? Put. Put what color? Blue color. You can color it blue. F1. Say good things. Say good things. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? What word? Say. Very good. Say. Say what color? Green. You can color it green. Okay. Next, G1. Tell me your story. See any whole word in this sentence? Very good. Which word? Tell. See, tell what color? Pink. Okay, you can color it pink. Okay. H. Aksha. Yes. Here. You see any whole word from the box? Very good. Above what color? Purple. So you can color purple. Next, I1. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Do you see any word? Very good. Our what color? Purple. You can color it purple. Okay. Next, J1. Put you tell me. You see any word? Very good. Tell what color? Pink. Tell. You can color it pink. K1. I like that house. I like that house. Do you see any word? Very good. That what color from the box? Orange. Can color it orange. Can color it orange. Next, I want the red one is our house. See any word? Our what color? Purple. So you can color it purple. Is it clear? This is also your homework. Now look at the slide. Now see the next one. Okay, polite words. Already we learnt in the previous class. Polite words. Greetings. We use greetings to wish people. We use greetings to wish people. Okay, when we meet someone, we say hello or hi. Next, when we meet someone in the morning, we say good morning. When we meet, when we leave someone, we say goodbye. Okay. Next, magic words. We use magic words to be polite with people. These words help us to have better relationship with people. Please, sorry, thank you, welcome. These are magic words. These words are help us to have better relationship with people. Okay. Now look at the next slide. Write the magic word or greeting word for the following situations. Okay. See the next slide. When you want your friend to help you read. When you want your friend to help you read. What did you say? நீ ரீட் பண்றதுக்கு friend கிட்ட help கேக்குற. So என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Please. We say please. When a tree wants you to stop. That word please. Please stop. Please stop. Next one. When you hurt your little sister. உன் தங்கச்சியை hurt பண்ணிட்ட. What did you say? Sorry. What? Sorry. Next. When someone gives you the seat in a bus. When someone gives you the seat in a bus. உனக்கு யாராவது சீட் கொடுத்தாங்க பஸ்ல அப்படின்னா என்ன சொல்லுவ? Thank you. When you want to wish your uncle in the morning, good morning. When someone says thank you to you, உனக்கு யாராவது thank you சொன்னாங்கன்னா என்ன சொல்லுவ? Welcome. When you want to wish your parents before sleeping, we say good night. Very good. When you want to wish your principal in the morning, principal sara காலையில பார்த்தேன்னா என்ன சொல்லுவ? Good morning. Very good. You want your mother to buy you a new bag. உனக்கு ஒரு புது பேக் வாங்க சொல்றாங்க அம்மாட்ட. அப்ப என்ன கேட்பாங்க? Please மா எனக்கு ஒரு பேக் வாங்கி தாங்க. So please. Okay. Now go to the next one. Now go to the reading comprehension session. Last class we read the story. What is the title of the story? If trees could talk. Who's the author? Komal Ramchandani. Okay. Who is the character in the story? The boy. Okay. Now I read the story and ask questions. Okay. Listen carefully. If trees could talk. Written by Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations by Higdi Benka. See the first page. I wonder if trees could talk, what would they say? I wonder, எனக்கு ஒரு ஆச்சரியம். If trees could talk, what would they say? மரம் ஒருவேளை பேசிச்சுனா என்ன சொல்லும்? என்ன சொல்லும்? Okay, now see the next page. If trees could talk, they would tell us to stop. If trees could talk, they would tell us to stop. மரம் ஒருவேளை பேசிச்சுனா நம்ம மரத்தை கட் பண்ண போகும்போது ட்ரீ என்ன சொல்லும்? Please stop அப்படின்னு சொல்லும். எங்களை கட் பண்ணாதீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லும். See the third page. If trees could talk, if trees could talk, they would tell us secrets. They would tell us secrets. மரம் ஒருவேளை பேசிச்சுனா அது என்ன பண்ணும்? அதோட சீக்ரெட்ஸ் எல்லாமே எனக்கு சொல்லும். See that next page. If trees could talk, they would share their stories. If trees could talk, they would share their stories. மரம் வந்து ஒருவேளை பேசிச்சுனா அதோட ஸ்டோரிஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம கூட என்ன பண்ணிப்போம்? ஷேர் பண்ணிப்போம். See the fifth page. If trees could talk, would they be our friends? மரம் ஒருவேளை பேசிச்சுனா நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? அது கூட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸா நம்ம ஆயிடுவோம். Okay? If trees could talk, would they be our friends? Okay? Now ask a question. So be ready. Students, ready? Now ask the first question. What do you think will happen if trees could talk? What do you think will happen if trees could talk? மரம் பேசினா நீ என்ன திங்க் பண்ணிரு? மரம் பேசுச்சுனா that you won't response, write in your notebook. Okay? What do you think will happen if trees could talk? Is that clear? Write in your notebook. Okay? See the next question. What would happen? What would happen if trees could talk? What would happen if trees could talk? Okay? Now go to the next question. Okay. Do you think trees could like to be our friend? Do you think trees would like to be our friends? Once again, first question. What do you think will happen if trees could talk? What do you think will happen? Trees would talk. Second one, what would happen if trees could talk? What would happen if trees could talk? Third question, do you think trees would like to be our friend? Do you think trees would like to be our friends? Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay. Naming words. Already we learnt in the previous class. Okay. One and many. We add at the end. For naming, it's more than one object. Okay. Apple, apples. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Okay. See the next one. One and many. One and many. Circle the correct naming word for each picture. Okay. Take your worksheet 19, page number 102. Okay. Circle the correct naming word for each picture. See the first one. Zip or zips. How many zips are there in the first one? There are 3. So that one is zip or zips. Zips, very good. Next, see the next one. Table or tables. Only one table. So this is table or tables. Table. So you can circle table. Next, jug, jugs. How many jugs? There are 5 jugs. So you have circled the word jugs. Next, orange. Oranges. How many oranges? Only one orange. So you can circle orange the word. Next, turtle, turtles. How many turtles? There are 3. So this is turtle or turtles? Turtles. So you have circled the word turtles. Next, top. Only one top or many? Only one. So this is top or tops? Top. You have circled the word top. Next, jeep or jeeps. How many jeep? Only one jeep. So you have circled the word jeep. Okay. See the next one. Rose or roses. How many roses? There are 3 roses. So you have circled the word roses. Next, umbrella or umbrellas. How many umbrella? 3. So this is umbrella or umbrellas. Umbrellas. Okay. See the next slide. This is the answer. First one answer. Zips. Next one. Table. Third one. Jets. Next orange. Turtles. Top. Jeep. Roses. And umbrellas. Okay. Now see the next one. Make each word many. Make each word many by adding s at the end. Okay. See the first one, only one parrot. See the next column, how many parrot? 3. So parrots. Parrot, parrots. Next drum, drums. King, kings. See the slide. Parrot, parrots. Drum, drums. King, kings. Okay, is that clear? Students, I hope all have understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you students. Thank you. Take care.